Yes, anybody to pretend like they should argue. Well, this is what it's like trying to survive a snow day in southeast Alaska. This is our third day off of school in this first week back from winter break. We had Monday and Tuesday off, then went to school on Wednesday and Thursday, and school was canceled again on Friday, in addition to some other days being canceled for individual schools for roof clearing. As you can see right now, snow is not the current forecast for the rest of today. We got about 4 to 5 more inches of snow here at our house overnight last night, which was on the lowish end of expectations. I'm sure they got more in some other places around town. But the main concern is how much snow has already piled up on the ground, and the fact that we're supposed to get 2 to 3 inches of rain in the next 48 hours. So today has been another big day of shoveling. I spent almost an hour in the driveway, followed by 2 hours up on the roof, along with the rest of my family at the request of my wife, and that was mostly successful. The main part of our roof got cleared a few days ago by a crew, and we were just working on the garage. So that got done, and now I'm going to get my feet nice and cold and wet. I'm dressed for some attempt at winter running here. So I'm going to be heading up towards the Water Tower Road and doing some laps on that if it's at all usable. Otherwise, I might try heading out to the bike paths again, but I was there yesterday, and even before all this rain, they were not very fun to navigate. I'm not going to make you suffer through the weather with me, but maybe we'll check in on the other side. Well, you can see it's gotten dark enough out here that I definitely need to call this a wrap on this video. I just went and picked up a Full Circle Farms box of produce, and that was my last errand for the day. It ended up being a pretty short run. The water tower road got plowed this morning, although the street that I live on didn't. I was telling in a previous video that that water tower road, it always gets a lot of attention, but that just turned it into a sheet of ice. And since it is also a hill, I didn't end up using it a ton. I did attempt to lay down some tracks, not with snowshoes, but just with my running shoes and spikes on the Under Thunder Trail. I probably went about 1/10 of a mile, maybe 2/10 of a mile, and just ran back and forth for a while. All in all, I finished a 5K in about 42.5 minutes or something like that. Anyway, that's a wrap on snow day, rain day in Juneau, Alaska. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.